Hi everyone, happy World Heart Day. Today I am going to talk about how to keep your heart healthy during this COVID pandemic. According to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, people with heart disease and other risk factors like diabetes, obesity and hypertension, they are more vulnerable to COVID-19. They are 12 times more likely to die and 6 times more likely to get hospitalized with COVID. So it is crucial to keep your heart healthy during this COVID pandemic. Keep up the new normal. Always try to follow the new COVID-19 safety guidelines. Keep the help of telemedicine. You can go for online consultation with your physician and you can ask for any queries. Continue taking your medications. If you are having any underlying heart disease or risk factors such as hypertension, diabetes and high cholesterol. And also try to monitor your blood pressure, your diabetes means blood sugar level and your weight if you are having risk factor. If you find that your body weight spikes within 24 hours, then it can be a sign for oncoming heart failure. So always keep your eyes on your blood sugar, blood pressure and body weight. Keep up the healthy lifestyle. This pandemic has made a lot of people to get stuck at home. But that doesn't mean that you eat unhealthy and stay inactive. So rather than making unhealthy food and having craving for unhealthy food, you should go for healthy food and portion control because your activity has been reduced during this pandemic. And you should always keep your eyes on your sugar level and salt level. Keep them in control. And you know there are more than 100 exercises that you can do at home and without using any equipment like squats, lunges, core exercise, etc. Or you can go for walking and you can use your balcony, terrace and corridor for exercises. Also you can enroll yourself for online fitness class by some fitness expert. Next, one of the most important is stress management. Stress is one of the greatest enemies of your heart. No doubt the whole scenario is quite overwhelming, but that does not mean that you have to let it affect your mental peace, right? So you can choose the right coping mechanism, okay? Don't go for any negative coping strategies like alcohol smoking. Avoid alcohol, avoid smoking. You should go for positive coping responses. You can go for meditation, you can go for yoga, you can catch up with your friends online and also you can try your hobbies. So these certain points are important to keep your heart healthy, and because of this COVID-19 pandemic and because of the lifestyle is like changing quite different, so you should follow something changed, but yes, you can follow the healthy lifestyle in certain different way. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you.